Hello, student. This is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher. And our today's topic is a thing of beauty, important questions. In this video, I have selected the most important short and long answer questions which are asked in different years examinations. तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। इसमें मैंने मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट किए हैं, उसके आंसर्स भी हमने डिस्कस किया है। सो लेट्स बिगिन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। Mention any two things which cause pain and suffering. इस पोयम में A Thing of Beauty written by जॉन कीट्स ऐसी दो चीज़ों के बारे में बताना है जो कॉज हैं पेन और सफरिंग की। द थिंग्स दैट कॉज पेन एंड सफरिंग आर डिस्पोंडेंसी, हेट्रेड, लैक ऑफ नोबल नेचर्स, ग्लूमी डेज एंड ओवर डार्केंड वेज। सो व्हाट इज योर आंसर? The things that cause pain and suffering are despondency, lack of noble natures, gloomy days, and overdarkened ways. Question number 2. What is the source of the endless fountain and what is its effect? Endless fountain का सोर्स क्या है और इसका ह्यूमन के ऊपर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है? Endless fountain refers to the unending beauty of nature. This is a gift from the Creator, that is God. Our life is full of trials and tribulations. But the beautiful things of nature soothe our sorrows and give us the motivation to move on. ये सुंदर चीज़ें ही हैं जो हमें हमेशा चलायमान रखती हैं, कभी रुकने नहीं देती। What spreads the pall of despondence over our dark spirits? How is it removed? ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिससे हमारे स्पिरिट के ऊपर दुख के बादल छा जाते हैं और इसको रिमूव कैसे करते हैं? Trials and tribulations of life spread the cloak of despondence over our dark spirits. वो चादर के रूप में ढक लेते हैं। Loss of faith and disappointment are the result of our own making. We can remove it by making life worthwhile with the beautiful things of life that lift the veil of gloom, paving way for optimism and hope. What is the message of the poem A Thing of Beauty? ये जो पोएम है इसका क्या मैसेज है? The message of the poem is that a beautiful object is treasured in. सुंदर चीज को हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ट्रेजर कर सकते हैं, संजो करके रख सकते हैं, सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं। In our mind, because it provides us eternal and everlasting joy. Therefore, let us keep the natural beauty intact. Let us not destroy it. How is a thing of beauty a joy forever? एक सुंदर सी चीज हमेशा हमेशा के लिए जॉय कैसे है? A thing of beauty is a joy forever because its loveliness increases. It does not pass into nothingness. A beautiful thing is perennial and constant. It sustains human spirit in all ages and stages. It never passes into nothingness. In fact, it moves away the cloak of melancholy from our dark spirits and makes life worth living. Describe any three things of beauty mentioned in the poem. A thing of beauty. ऐसी तीन चीज़ों के कम से कम तीन चीज़ों के बारे में बताना है जो सुंदर चीज़ें कही जाती हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पोएम, अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉन कीट्स। अदरवाइज, अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉन कीट्स, what moves the pain and suffering away from human life? Answer: everything in nature is a thing of beauty and a source of pleasure. Some of them are the sun, the moon, old and young trees, daffodil flowers, small streams with clear water, the green pastures, and the blooming musk roses. All of them are things of beauty. They are the constant source of joy and pleasure and remove the gloom and melancholy from our lives. What does Keats consider as an endless fountain of immortal drink? And why does he call it drink immortal? किसको वो एंडलेस फाउंटेन ऑफ इमोर्टल ड्रिंक बुलाता है, कहता है? एंड वाई डज ही कॉल इट ड्रिंक इमोर्टल? इसको इमोर्टल ड्रिंक क्यों कहता है? God has created so much beauty around us. Everywhere it is endless. In nature, there is divine beauty, a fountain of eternal joy. Keats considers the beauty of nature as an endless fountain of immortal drink, because the heavenly beauty of nature and the joy derived from it is everlasting. कभी खत्म नहीं होता ये. Its beauty increases with the passage of time. What does a thing of beauty do for us? हमारे लिए एक सुंदर सी चीज क्या करती है? What does a thing of beauty do for us? A thing of beauty brings joy and removes the gloom. It makes life worth living in spite of the hardship and melancholy it offers. Its loveliness keeps on increasing, providing a pleasant and quiet place for us. Mention any four things of beauty that add joy to our life. The things of beauty that Keats refers to in his poem are the sun, the moon, the trees, the innocence of the sea, the blossoming of the daffodils in the meadows, the musk roses blooming, the mass of ferns, and the clear streams among mountains. These are the beautiful things. Which objects of nature does Keats mention as source of joy in his poem A Thing of Beauty? इस पोएम में A Thing of Beauty में कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कीट्स मेंशन करते हैं एज अ सोर्स ऑफ जॉय? Everything of nature is a thing of beauty and a source of pleasure. Some of them are the sun, the moon, old and young trees, daffodil flowers, small streams with clear water, mass of fun, and the blooming of musk roses. All of them are things of beauty. They are the constant source of joy and pleasure. How can mighty dead be things of beauty? The mighty dead can be things of beauty as the inspirational deeds of martyrs are not only splendid but continue to live as guides, enhancing the quality of life. In the hot season, how do man and beast get comfort? In the hot season, man and beast take shelter in the green world where trees provide peaceful shade and clear streams flow, providing a cooling covert for the man and beast to draw comfort from. What rich bounty has the heaven given us? Generosity. Bounty means generosity. ऐसी कौन सी generosity है heaven ने हमें दिया है? Heaven has blessed us with unending beauty in nature that encircles and makes our life beautiful eternally whenever we think of it. Like an eternal fountain from the brink of heaven, beauty blesses us with joy forever. How does Keats show his unhappiness with his fellow human beings? अपनी अनहैप्पीनेस को अपने फेलो ह्यूमन बीइंग के साथ कैसे शेयर करते हैं वो? Keats shows his unhappiness by saying that there are only few people who are noble in character and who rise above petty differences by being kind and generous. There is a lack of such noble souls on our earth, as man is selfish and self centered. Trials and tribulations of life spread the cloak of melancholy over our dark spirits. We can remove it by making life worthwhile, by enjoying the beautiful things in life bestowed upon us by nature, but we are keen on destroying them. How does Keats define a thing of beauty? Keats एक सुंदर सी चीज को कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं? Keats says that a thing of beauty is eternal and is forever. It does not fade with time, and our love for it enhances with time. He says that thing of beauty acts like a soothing, relaxing shade of trees that helps us sleep peacefully and enjoy good health. What troubles and sufferings do human beings face in life? Human beings अपने जीवन में कैसे दुख और तकलीफें सहते हैं? In life, humans face adverse circumstances and gloomy days which cause suffering. Malice and disappointment dampen our spirits. Lack of noble qualities, death and bad health brings sadness in life. How does a thing of beauty bring joy in our lives? कैसे एक सुंदर सी चीज़ हमारे जीवन में खुशियाँ लाती है? A thing of beauty isn't necessary just visually pleasing. It can bring joy into our lives through other ways as well. It could lift the pall of gloom from people's spirits and act as a flicker in the dark, calming our mind. It gives us quiet breathing, relaxing sleep, and good health. The poet refers to the beautiful boons like the sun, the moon, the daffodils, and the trees as a source of an endless fountain of immortal drink that will continue to bring joy to mankind forever. A thing of beauty may help one cope with the dearth of noble nature, lack of noble nature, and hierarchy that continues to step over the weak. It may give one strength and a reminder that there is more to life than we think.